Hi, how are you? I'm Andrew. Today I will show you from scratch how to make a YouTube thumbnail with Canva.com. Canva is a free graphic design platform. Let us go to our video and go to Google, write Canva.com. Before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Okay, sign up. I'm already signing and press create custom size 1280 by 7020 pixels. Create design. Okay, background. Let's select background color. Let's select this. Let's upload our photo. Okay. Okay, let's shape rectangle. We will write here our video title. Change background white color. Select text. Let's write our video title here. How to create custom thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnail. Let us adjust. If we want to increase the size of our text and let's make bold. Increase the size of okay. Let's add logo of Canva. I'm already uploaded. Let us upload. Let's change text color. This is Canva's logo. We are making this video with Canva.com, the best application to do any design. Edit image if you want. Adjust the color. Contrast. Saturation. You see how it is attractive. YouTube thumbnail is very important for our video. It's grab people's attention. Let's download this file. Okay, we finished our video. Please, you see how this beautiful thumbnail with easy and free application to make this beautiful thumbnail. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, share to your friends. Okay, for the next video we will meet. See you. Bye.